Hello, my name is Wissam Solomon with Alpha, and this platform for biomedical research. 2011, my mom felt pain in her abdomen. For an entire year, a dozen doctors across 3 different continents, they couldn't figure out what was wrong with her. Using data from research and publications, taking in her symptoms, we identified where doctors should be looking, and that's when they found the cancer. Our only hope was one drug, but that drug was in a discovery mode. It took too long. January 2013, she passed away. It only took about 3 months. The amount of data that exists out there is exploding, making it that much more complex for researchers, scientists, and doctors to identify better treatment options. It takes about $2 billion for a drug to be processed through in 14 years. We identified that this process is inefficient, it takes too long, and very expensive. Producing drugs costs about 9 times more than it ever did 11 years ago. The amount of data, rather than exploding once every 8 years, now data explodes once every 18 months. With Delta Health, we've developed a platform. Using artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms, we identify the information coming in, identifying the pertinent information across various sources. We can take the discovery process from 6 years to 1 year. We do this by linking biomedical data across publications, clinical trials, genomic data sources, and help users identify how can you repurpose drugs and how can you identify better treatment options faster. But that's not it. Pushing together the drug application takes about 1 to 2 years. Using our platform, we can do it in months. The way we do it is, rather than you having to read publications and clinical research, we identify the most pertinent results and methods from these identifications. As I said, we link biomedical data across drug biobanks, publications, clinical trials, and genomic data sources. It's a $20 billion addressable market across pharmaceutical, biotech, and universities. We have a product, and our product is already in the market. We have about 7 different clients. We have a healthy prospect. We have a couple of partnerships. One of our partnerships gets access to about 1.2 million doctors and 150,000 researchers. We're now looking to raise about $1 million for 25% stake in the company. We have a healthy team. I come from a research background, 17 years diving in data back and forth. My co-founder is Tember. He comes in from the data background. He's our NLP guru and artificial intelligence. We also have folks from the IBM Watson and VP of operations. And that's our Delta story.
So how do you see your system differentiating from where IBM's heading with Watson and all its different configurations?
Yes. So we access a lot more data sources. We link to a lot more data activities. Over 30,000 different sources that we get access to, from publications and clinical trials and genomic multi sources. Also, the NLP platform that we've developed is quite different. Our machine learning algorithms that we have developed is also quite different than Watson. Another thing that we also do is our platform, you can document your search and collaborate with all your colleagues. We sell in 2 different things. We sell a platform as a license, and we also sell you licenses and services as well.
So what are your target markets? I think you said one of them is research institutions, about pharma.
So pharmaceutical and genomic health are the current market that we're trying to access. We started selling to research organizations and medical devices, and now we're focusing more on pharma and genomic health companies.
What's the pricing model for it?
Yeah, so we started off selling at a pricing of $2,000 per user. Now we're moving more towards an enterprise model per year. Now we're moving towards an enterprise model, depending on the size of the organization, starting at $30,000 per organization. That's only for our platform, and for our services, it starts at $100,000.
Would you consider starting such a freemium model where you have a website that you allow people to use it to a certain level?
We do. So right now you can actually sign up and you can find subscription.
Particular kind of customer success stories that you might be, you talked about like rapidly increasing the timeframe, has that actually been proven out? Or is that-
Yes, we have a local company, whatever was taking them about 2 days, we're able to do it in 4 hours. We have a company what was taking them 3 weeks, we're doing it in 2 days. Most recently, we have a genomic health company, provided us a list of, genomic data. What would take them months, we were able to do in 3 weeks. So we've proven, oh, sorry.
That's okay. I'm just going to interrupt for a second for our walleyes. You are not just having a conversation with these guys,
We should
you're also
have-
having
we
a
should have
conversation
everybody.
with people who will be watching the recording, and that's why it's important to wait for the microphone.
Yeah, we did.
So